Marleijn's Packing. I'm here again. Today I want to have something animal-ish.
Yeah.
I want a zebra. Zebra is
yeah.
Good
Zebra
word?
striping.
Stripes. So I guess first we're gonna bleach and then we're gonna paint.
First gonna do a clipper cut.
Oh yes, I want to have it a bit shorter, like for I think it's
8 millimeters or something like that.
Yeah, maybe something like that. Also, that I like when the sides are again a bit shorter. That my head is.
Yeah, then the grow back is also nice, and the shape of your head is more.
Yeah, because now it's just I feel
round.
Yeah, round. Exactly.
Like egg.
Huh?
Like egg.
Yes, exactly. Or like a chicken, baby chicken.
Okay.
You know.
Yeah, Calimero.
Yeah, Calimero. Exactly. Also animal, but not what I want.
No.
Yeah.
You're not chicken.
No. More no.
More no.
Yes.
There's not a life anymore. The no.
No.
It's now the yes.
Exactly.
Okay, clear.
Should I
Can you turn? So show your hair. And as normal, you give me the rights for YouTube and Facebook.
Yes, I give Theo the rights to put this video on YouTube and Facebook.
I will always do it with respect.
Yeah.
Okay, let's have fun. Hello friends on YouTube, gonna do Marleijn's hair again. So she wants a zebra striping on her head, so I have to bleach it and a little bit of black color it in. To get used to the idea, I get a zebra cape.
Yeah.
So when she wants to get out as a zebra, she can take my cape with her. And then walk through Berlin as a zebra.
So I think this is more like punk style.
Yeah, but then
love it.
A nice punk style, not a dirty.
No, exactly.
What I put on is a clipper blade. Normally don't do that, but I do it only for the upper hair. Put on like 8 millimeters. Put my blade to the front. Start on top. Watch at the hair fall. Go in the opposite lines. So use the roundings. My clipper is of Kione. And this is about 3 hours that you can work with it without charging. Make het als het wel is, hè?
Ja, man. Wel een beetje koud wordt het waarschijnlijk, maar ja.
Is het blijkbaar koud?
Ja.
Ja,
het was echt 31 graden en ik moest toen werken. Of nee, ik moest niet werken. Ja, ik moest werken. In de ijssalon.
Ja.
31 graden. Nou, het was echt, ik nog best wel druk in de ijssalon. En toen ging het om 6 uur, 's avonds. Ging het stormen.
Ja.
Het ging regenen en stormen was het gelijk donker. Nou, en sindsdien was het gewoon 15 graden kouder.
Ja.
Het was 31 graden en daarna was het echt
Ja, die contrasten zijn ook groter.
13. Ja, er kwam er niemand meer natuurlijk. Niemand kon meer ijs halen.
Maar ze is zelf ijs geworden.
Ja.
Brush the hair a bit.
Dit is ook grappig gesteld. Dat kan echt niet.
With a large flat comb, blade still to the front. I give the sides more shape. This creates a better grow back and a much nicer shape of the head.
Yes? Wow.
This makes it smaller.
Yeah.
But I also like the clean lines of it. It looks nice, clean.
Yeah.
Leaning with my comb in the opposite lines on the hairs. So that way I can set them straight out of the skin. And my comb is guiding the clipper.
Yeah.
Use my clipper as a comb. Clean the contour line. The first thing I'm going to do is to bleach her hair. I do this with 20 volume bleach and a little bit Vario blonde in it. Using a blue bleach.
Yeah.
With my small Kiona clipper I can clean the contour lines, and this always comes with 2 blades, and this is a wonderful tool to work with. And a wonderful tool to make tattoo arts with. Very gently to the skin, but still a sharp tool to work with. And I love the sound of this machine, and also the quietness of it, because normally most of the clippers hurry up a little bit, and this sounds like this.
Yeah.
It's very gently. Now for so far cutting, so now I can make her bleach. Okay, made to the bleach, put in the Vario blonde. What I told you, 6%. Put on also the protection for coloring.
This is nice cold.
Yeah.
So nice for my head. You have a bit of a headache.
Yeah, then.
It's really good.
Yeah. Feels liberated.
But probably it's gonna hurt in a bit.
Oh.
It's gonna itch.
Yeah, at least if you washed your hair before, then it can hurt a bit.
Yeah, well, I showered.
No, but especially when you wash it with shampoo, then it can
Yeah,
be irritating
so?
a bit. Yeah, because you take off all the grease of your skin protection.
I only actually washed it with conditioner because my...
It's also enough, you have such a short hair. Why should you wash it with shampoo every time?
I don't know why, just to make it smell good.
Yeah, and give the clean feeling. And when you have creamy shampoo, it's also nice to wash it with.
I don't wash it when it's short. I only wash it when it's a bit longer. When it's short, I don't wash it with shampoo or anything. I don't need to.
No, I don't use shampoo also. Because what should I do with shampoo?
Yeah, what the fuck?
Yeah.
It's a joke.
Yeah. Bald
Waste
hair.
of money.
Yeah, and it's not good for the environment.
Nothing, yeah.
Then less is more. Make sure there's enough bleach on the hair. And then close my plastic foil. Control it in 50 minutes. Mostly, in her case, it takes 25 minutes to go to ultra blonde, especially fill hairstyles were a lot more difficult to make.
Yeah, but almost same.
Yeah.
Same color.
Also nice to do.
Oh, that's so nice.
But still, we have the photos, so.
Yeah.
And the video
and the
is always online.
Always. I show them a lot actually in Berlin. Yeah. People are really like amazed, like whoa. Whoa, that's so cool, and they are like, whoa, that's really nice.
How was it made?
Exactly. Some people ask me, when did you first cut your hair? And I was like, you want to see?
Yeah.
And then I showed them, and they were like, whoa, that's so cool. You looked so different. And I show all the videos, and they were like, whoa, this is so cool.
That's a moment in space that don't get lost in space.
Exactly.
We'll be back. Okay, 50 minutes. Control it. Now I think it's light enough.
Yeah?
Yeah. We'll wait 5 minutes to get the violet colors to bleach out the yellow tones a bit, because when there comes new oxygen, so air on the hair, you see that the violet colors popping up. So I leave them for 5 minutes and then I'm going to rinse it out and make the other stripes. Gonna make some zebra stripes.
Yeah.
Now we have something on the cape so we can see the shape a bit.
You see it? Yes.
Yes, they see it. So I use a black. You don't want small stripes, so I have to get a line in it.
Yeah. Almost the same as painting, huh?
Yeah. The color is a black. Color is a black one. You get to find a bit the balance between the colors.
Yeah, exactly. So funny. In Berlin, I have some friends, and they do the opposite. This guy has kind of dark hair, so like not black but dark brown, and then these friends they do each other's hairs in school at the art academy, which is so funny because he made. What is it called? A leopard print with bleach on his hair.
Okay.
Like it almost looked like a schablon.
Yeah.
But it was looking so good because he has dark hair, so they just made it with bleach and it looked fucking cool.
Yeah.
Really nice.
But you can also the circles around have other color. Because it doesn't come all in the same color. The softness on the lines, because there's always a yellow sticking in the color or something.
Yeah.
But that's also nice, because that gives it a natural effect.
Je kan ook zo eentje doen, als je wil, zo in 2 strepen.
Ja, ik ben nu bezig met een enkele streep.
Ja.
This color develops very quick because there's still a rest over of the bleach, so the peroxide volume. is in the hair. Is dat leuk om jou te doen? Gewoon dingen durft, dat is leuk.
Ja. Als je kort haar hebt, dan wordt het op een gegeven moment ook saai, hè?
Ja.
Ik wil alles mogelijke weer even lekker doen.
Ja, dat is gewoon leuk. Het leuke is dat je ook maar 1 keer leeft, hè? Dus je hebt dan ook echt alles gedaan.
Ja. Sommige mensen hebben daar helemaal geen behoefte aan, hè?
Nee,
Snap ik ook niet.
altijd hetzelfde doen.
Ik heb altijd wel zin in een nieuwe. Ik dacht, dit heb ik nog niet gedaan. Dan doen we dit eens een keer. Pantenprint wil ik ook nog wel een keer bij jou.
Ja, dat is ook mooi.
Zo cool. Echt zo leuk. Ja, het is vind ik dan soms jammer dat ik het ook niet zelf... Ik kan het echt niet zelf.
Nee, dat kun je zelf niet.
Ik kan echt niet. Ook al, ik zou graag ook bij iemand anders willen doen.
Ja.
Een keer. Omdat ik weet niet, toen deed een vriend van mij, deed het altijd pantenprint. En ik dacht echt, oh, ik wil dat ook doen.
Mm.
Het ziet er zo vet uit.
Now this I leave on for 50 minutes because this color develops in 50 minutes. And then rinse it out with a lot of water. I ask her to turn so you can see how the shapes are. I think she looks wonderful.
Mm-hmm.
So I ask her to turn so you can see all the shapes. Wonderful. Thank you very much, my love.
Thank you.
Okay, rinse it out. This is the result. Put a little bit silver spray over it. Blow dry it a bit. Lekker vleug droog, hè?
Hè?
Lekker vleug droog.
Ja.
Lekker een zachte blondeer was het, hè? Je hebt helemaal geen irritaties van je huid.
Nee.
Using polish of Lanza. Gives a wonderful natural glow and it nurses the skin and it smells always wonderful. And this is Marleen's new hairstyle and color. Yeah.
Yes.
Catch the zebra. Heel mooi.
Ja.
Echt superleuk. Marleijn, will you turn around to show the people your new color and hairstyle? You feel a little bit like a horse? A horse is a horse, a horse, a horse. No, I feel like a zebra.
Like a zebra.
Thank you for modeling again.
Thank you.
I loved it a lot.